Hello everyone, welcome. In our previous lessons we've been working with the expression aimer mieux, which literally means to like better. However, it's used in the sense of to prefer. So let's review what we know already, and then we're going to add something different to this lesson. So first of all, you have to know your irregular ER endings, which you should know very well by now. We also learned how to say I prefer, j'aime mieux, you prefer, tu aimes mieux, he prefers, il aime mieux, she prefers, elle aime mieux, we prefer, on aime mieux, you prefer, vous aimez mieux. You also learned that you can use aimer mieux with a noun. For example, if I want to say I prefer dogs, I could say j'aime mieux les chiens, or I prefer cats, j'aime mieux les chats. So here's what's new in this lesson. Instead of using a noun, you can use the expression aimer mieux with an infinitive to say that you prefer to do something or that you prefer doing something. So let's look at our new vocabulary here. We have parler français, to speak French, voyager, to travel, étudier, to study, manger, to eat. So if I want to say I prefer to speak French, or remember in English you can also say I prefer speaking French. It means exactly the same thing. I prefer to speak French, I prefer speaking French. You would say j'aime mieux parler français. I prefer to travel, j'aime mieux voyager. I prefer to study, j'aime mieux étudier. I prefer to eat, j'aime mieux manger. You prefer to speak French, tu aimes mieux parler français. You prefer to travel, tu aimes mieux voyager. You prefer to study, tu aimes mieux étudier. You prefer to eat, tu aimes mieux manger. He prefers to speak French. Il aime mieux parler français. He prefers to travel. Il aime mieux voyager. He prefers to study. Il aime mieux étudier. He prefers to eat. Il aime mieux manger. She prefers to speak French. Elle aime mieux parler français. She prefers to travel. Elle aime mieux voyager. She prefers to study. Elle aime mieux étudier. She prefers to eat. Elle aime mieux manger. We prefer to speak French. On aime mieux parler français. We prefer to travel. On aime mieux voyager. We prefer to study. On aime mieux étudier. We prefer to eat. On aime mieux manger. You prefer to speak French. Vous aimez mieux parler français. You prefer to travel. Vous aimez mieux voyager. You prefer to study. Vous aimez mieux étudier. You prefer to eat. Vous aimez mieux manger. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.